In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Gmail account using your phone number. We all know how important it is to keep our digital communications running smoothly, and losing access to your Gmail can put a real damper on your day. Whether it's forgotten information or simply a technical glitch, these problems are more common than you might think. Luckily, recovering your Gmail account using your phone number is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be back up and running without a hitch. The journey starts by navigating to the Gmail sign-in page, one you probably visit every day. Here you'll see the usual fields for entering your email address and password, but since you're stuck in a recovery mode, what you want to focus on is the option beneath these fields called Forgot Email. Click this to commence the recovery process. This feature is crucial for those moments when your memory fails to serve you, acting as a gentle reminder that tech is here to help, not hinder your day. After clicking on Forgot Email, Google will ask you to enter the phone number associated with your Google account. This step is pivotal as it ties directly into security protocols which safeguard your account while enabling easy restoration access. Type in your number carefully to ensure accuracy, thus avoiding any unnecessary delays. Once you've entered your phone number, you'll see a button labeled Next. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. It's at this point you're signaling to Google that you still have access to the phone linked with your account, an essential step in verifying your identity. With the phone number confirmed, Google will now require you to input your first and last name. This simple step helps the system identify you within its vast user database. Again, accuracy is key. Double check the spelling to ensure everything matches up. This measure helps bolster security, confirming your connection to the account being recovered. Once your name is correctly entered, press Next. This brings you a step closer to accessing your treasured emails once more. As you continue with the process, you may be asked to verify further details to confirm your identity. This might include using an alternate email address or answering a security question, so be prepared for these additional steps. They're all part of ensuring only you can access your Gmail account. Once these details are verified, Google will guide you on the final path toward recovery. In a few moments, you should receive a text message or an email with a verification code or a link to reset your account access. Depending on your selected recovery method, follow the prompts provided to complete the process. If code-based, type it into the field provided. If a link, simply click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. Within a few relatively simple steps, your Gmail account is recovered using your phone number. By digitizing our recovery methods and integrating our trusted devices, Google has taken great strides in making account recovery a hassle-free process for its users. Remember to always keep your recovery information up to date to facilitate any future mishaps like this. So, there you have it, a quick, straightforward way to reclaim your Gmail account access using your phone number. While the fear of losing email access might be daunting, it's comforting to know that solid procedures like these are in place to get you back online quickly and securely. As we wrap up, consider taking a moment to ensure your recovery settings are current, making any necessary updates that might save you from future headaches. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and guides. From everybody here, happy emailing and stay secure.